What's going on YouTube? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a pretty cool video for you. I am in Brooklyn, Connecticut at the Brooklyn Fairgrounds here for a swap meet car show. I came over here with my buddy with the yellow hot rod and trying to sell some stuff. But I figured I'd take a walk around here and show you guys here these vehicles here in the car show. So let's take a walk through and together, and we'll check out all these cool rides. Nice old hot rod, a big blower. This is cool. I like the paint job. Oh, modern Ford modular motor. 4.6, 3 single barrels on there. I love the paint job. That green is cool. I hate green, but I like that. I like that green. Look at that. That's something different. I like that. Modern motor in an old car. Give it that old new reliability with the old school look. That's cool. Cool little hot rod. This is cool. Small block. Old hot rod. We'll walk up and down, zigzag up and down these here aisles here. Mack truck. That's a nice oldie. Suicide hood, Corvette grill, or hitch. I don't know, it could be custom. I like the color. Our old farm truck. I tilt nose on the old Ford. Model A for Ford pickup or something, I believe. Red Express. My old Lincoln. I'm surprised because there's actually 2 of them here. Look at that beauty. That is a real car right there. Mine was a 78. I had the 460 big block. Mine didn't have the sunroof. This is cool too. LS engine, unfortunately. But cool. Got air ride, compressors, tank, some valves. Challenger. Here's something you don't say very often. Newer body style Duster. Volare 360. Old Keystone mags on there. That's a nice, pretty nice color combination. Red interior, red exterior. There's vents on the windows. Slapper bars on the leaf springs.
Same thing with Cicilline. He did the same thing.
There's cars all the way down the other end too. Nice Monte Carlo at that.
He was the senator.
Front floor shift. Interior, white exterior. Oh. Yeah. I do not own the rights to the music. Sorry, if it gets flagged or not, but it's a car show. You got to expect going to YouTube needs to expect going to car shows that there's gonna be music. That's what happens at car shows. But it is what it is. First Olds Cutlass. How you doing? With the look to be like 17 17-inch modern newer wheel. The lightning stick shifters. Those are really cool shifters. Factory sunroof. Again, you got your 19. Alright. We'll go down here and we'll come up. We'll go down here and then we'll come up this way. We got a Ford Gran Torino here. The 351 2-valve. Beautiful car. Black exterior. Black interior. Can't really see, but beautiful car. I believe the same year of the Starscan Hutch cars, I believe. From Long Island. He drove a good distance to get down here. Check out this modified Vet. Modern Vet Corvette wheel. TBI engine. Not too fun. I think it's a some sort of Dodge or some sort of Valiant. That's what that is. A little Comet here with 2 4-barrels. Mercury Comet. 2-door. Small block. Oh yeah. Dual quads. And it's a 4-speed. That is cool. Here's Studebaker Gran Turismo. Chevelle SS. Dude. There's some cool cars. We got a little Dodge Challenger RT, Chevrolet. There's a Corvair. You don't see too many of. These have the engines in the back of the vehicle. These are flat six cylinders, I believe. Well, pretty cool to see one of those. Nice big Impala, 327. Got the Lincoln Continental convertible 4-door with the suicide doors. Pontiac GTO. We have a Volkswagen Beetle convertible. Plymouth Belvedere, big block, dual 4-barrel. This car sounded really nice when it came in. It sounded really mean. Nice little big block. I love this car. I've had one of these. I had a 72 Duster. Clean Dart convertible GT. Got a Roadrunner 383. 2 Roadrunners. It is a 4-speed. This is the newer body style of the Roadrunner, also with a 383 V8. That is cool. There's a rare one. There we go. Shelby GT500 KR, which, for those who don't know, the KR stands for King of the Road. Convertible. It is a 4-speed car. This is, I believe, I forgot the name of the car, the color. But, yeah. Roadrunner 440 6-back. Alright. I think what I'm gonna do is make this a 2-part video.
You say 6 years.